I've had a few questions about how to get your Google Calendar to show up in your Gmail account. This is helpful just for a quick reference about what's going on as you work in your Google Calendar. And you can also add events, but what this does is when you click on this, it actually takes you to Calendar. But it is that jump between Calendar and Mail that we're used to in Outlook, kind of. So the way to get this is to go to your settings. And so there's the gear. I went to settings and then I'm clicking on settings here. And this is actually something that's in lab. So if you click on labs, you'll find there's lots of little tricks and things that you can put in your calendar. So you might want to play around and look at some of the different things. I mean, not calendar, in your mail. There's also labs in calendar as well. So you might want to kind of play around with that. But this one here is called Google Calendar Gadget. Right now it's second. I don't know if it will always show up in the same place for everybody, but just look for Google Calendar Gadget. And currently, probably in yours, if you don't have this, it's in the disable mode. That's the default. But you can enable that. And when you enable that, that puts your primary calendar over here on the left-hand side. So that is how you do that. So you go to settings, so the gear, then settings, then to labs, and then to Google Calendar Gadget, and then click enable.